Sales is about pressure. That's one of the biggest lies I've heard early in my career. Hey everyone, I want to share a story from the beginning of my sales career because it completely shifted how I think about sales. Over 20 years ago, I was just starting out. After 2 months in the role, I was in meeting after meeting, pitch after pitch, and getting zero results. Then one Friday afternoon, close to the weekend, I walked into a meeting with a potential client. I started my usual pitch, but very quickly something hit me. He didn't actually need my product. He wouldn't use it enough to make it worth the investment. So what do? My first thought, push harder. Try to close this no matter what. But instead, I did something different. I paused and I said, to be honest, I don't think you need this product. It wouldn't really bring you value. He looked surprised and then he smiled. And he invited me out for a coffee with his wife, who worked at the same company too. We had a real human conversation where I even shared that maybe I wasn't cut out for sales because nothing seemed to work. He said something I will never forget. Sales isn't about convincing, it's about understanding and helping. If you truly serve people, you are not selling, you are supporting. That's the day I got my first order, along with a very nice message. You are going to be an exceptional sales professional. Good luck. That moment changed everything for me. I stopped pushing and started listening. I stopped trying to sound smart and started trying to be helpful. So why so many people still think sales is about pressure? Because we were never taught to sell with empathy and structure. We are bombarded with pushy ads, manipulative tactics, and fake urgency. We are told to sell ourselves, but never shown how to do it with integrity. That's why so many avoid sales or do it with feeling guilty, uncomfortable, or scared of rejections. That's why in my Sales Accelerator program, we start with mindset. Before you think about offers, funnels, scripts, you need to reconnect with your own value. You need to feel aligned with how you sell. In the first modules, I teach you how to feel confident in your approach, how to create conversations and not pressure, how to position yourself as a guide and partner, not just a closer. So I want to hear from you. What's your first memory of selling and how has it shaped the way you approach sales today? Let's normalize selling with clarity, empathy, and intention. If this story resonated with you, drop me a message. I would love to share more about the Sales Accelerator program and how we work. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.